Hi guys, welcome back to Sports Angle. After a long time, we have all the four guys back here, and it is for a fucking reason. एक वजह की वजह से है। मंडे रात को 7:30 बजे ये दोस्ती जैसे आप देख रहे हैं वैसे स्प्लिट ही होगी। एमआई वर्सेस आरसीबी है और ये इसका प्रीव्यू है। uh, सबसे सबसे ओल्ड राइवल रहे हैं ये ऑफ आईपीएल। इन द फर्स्ट कपल ऑफ सीजन्स दे वर द वंस हु वुड गो हेड टू हेड. Back when, Vijay Mallya was in the country, you would see him waving the flag in the stands. Head to head की अगर बात करें हम तो इन टोटलिटी 33 गेम्स खेले इन्होंने अक्रॉस प्लेऑफ्स अक्रॉस फाइनल्स इन जो चैंपियंस लीग T20 होता था जिसमें मुंबई इंडियंस ने आरसीबी को हराया भी था इन चेन्नई। और हेड टू हेड टोटल 33 टाइम्स मिले हैं, मैंने जैसे बोला।
यार हेड टू हेड मत बोल।
19।
ठीक है, टाइटल टाइटल पे चले जाते हैं।
हाँ, 19
ओके, फाइन
एमआई की
फाइन।
तरफ, 14 आरसीबी की तरफ। 19-14 का हेड टू हेड रिकॉर्ड है। एंड दिस मैच इज राइट नाउ हैपनिंग इन वानखेड़े। एंड द लास्ट टाइम आरसीबी वन इन वानखेड़े वाज इन 2015 वेयर दिस पर्सन जो आप आर्यन के बैकग्राउंड में देख सकते हैं, एबी डिविलियर्स ने मार मार के मुंबई इंडियंस के प्लेयर्स का भरता बना दिया था। मैं और अथर्व गए भी थे वो मैच के लिए। एंड ऑनेस्टली उस दिन की सिल्वर लाइनिंग थी सम्राट की थाली और हमारा व्हाइट सॉस पनीर जो हमने खाया था रुमाली रोटी के साथ। वरना मेरे चड्डी में तक पसीना आ गया था, इतनी गर्मी थी उस दिन। और हाँ, मतलब एबी डिविलियर्स तो लिटरली धागा ही खोल दिया उसने, भरता बना दिया पूरी तरह से। दिस उसने खोल ही दिया हमें। बट या, कमिंग ऑन टू दिस, आई फील रीसेंट फॉर्म। अभी एक हार्दिक पांड्या का भी एक वीडियो देखा मैंने जिसमें उसने बोला है टू अश्विनी कुमार ही हैविंग अ वेरी वन ऑन वन नाइस थिंग वेयर ही इज टॉकिंग अबाउट लाइक गेम सेट मेंटालिटी एंड गेम डे मेंटालिटी कैसी होती है। ही एंडेड इट विथ अभी एटमॉस्फेयर अच्छा हो गया है। सो इट काइंड ऑफ लाइक इंडिकेट्स टुवर्ड्स थिंग्स लाइक थिंग्स आर टेकिंग फॉर मुंबई इंडियंस व्हाट Hardik wants to do and wants to squeeze out of the squad. He wants to do. Went for the game also on Monday. तभी मुझे ऐसा लगा कि काफ़ी अलग साइड थी इन कंपैरिजन एंड कॉन्ट्रास्ट टू व्हाट आई सॉ लास्ट ईयर। लास्ट ईयर बहुत सारी नेगेटिविटी थी।
हाँ।
और होपफुली अकॉर्डिंग टू वन सोर्स बुमराह भी वापस आ रहा है। अपने सोर्स को नेम नहीं कर सकता फॉर ऑब्वियस रीजन। यस, बट ऑन टू द अदर गाइज, द आरसीबी बॉयज एंड अथर्व, आपको क्या लगता है ये गेम के बारे में, क्या होगा ये गेम में?
I think it's nice to have you guys back down to earth for once, since the start of the tournament. I still feel like that setback was a one-time thing. My confidence in RCB from the start of the season, then once the season started, first two games went significantly up. Like those were dominant performances.
इन दोनों का भी गया।
Um,
बहुत
so it
ज्यादा चला गया।
Yeah. But then that third game, right, that you all played, it was a bit of a disappointment, especially because of the way they got you all. It was I expected more, not just because like one time, you all didn't get to chase things went sideways, but like it was a nice challenge to have. But just like the team, we were also wondering what is going on this pitch. We thought RCB would have a better read. They would be able to capitalize to whatever conditions they had expected towards the second innings to be in their favor, but it didn't happen. It was like a crumble of the top order, which is what we hope. Like this is similar to what RCB can see in Mumbai especially what we saw with and what we have been seeing since 23. Like second innings comes, you have bowlers coming out and they will not be able to do too much. Mumbai was able to capitalize the due factor to their strength. Kolkata was barely able to get up was a competitive you know challenge to our total that we gave them. I expect to see, I think, the team winning the toss doing the same thing what Mumbai did, that you bowl first. RCB to want to go like that, lay on their strengths. I don't blame them. That's just the way the conditions are.
Yeah, no, definitely. Even I think whoever wins the toss is going to have an advantage. Uh, so yeah, the
Yeah.
chasing team definitely have an advantage, and we saw that in the last game of RCB, right? We lost the toss, couldn't bowl first. I think that is where I already had a feeling that okay, this could go wrong today. But still, I think I just felt like the way the top order collapsed in that match was a red flag. But on the contrary, I did like the way our middle order showed some resilience and
Yeah,
still put up a
good
fighting
fight back.
total
Yeah.
by Livingston, Jitesh, Tim David. I think Tim David, in Mr. Michael's words, is a Pollard region.
Nah.
Yeah.
I agree. He's
And
what Mumbai
That's
wanted
the
in the
equivalent of
player.
calling.
Yes, we wanted that from him, yeah. But
Yeah, that's what you
That's
wanted
he
from
the.
wasn't
him.
able to,
I'm
yeah.
a
He's showing
United
it
fan.
in.
I'm a United fan. That's the equivalent of calling Maguire Sergio Ramos. So let's park. ठीक है? Yeah.
I mean, Maguire during Ole days were amazing.
उसके लिए हम अलग प्रीव्यू करेंगे. वो अलग टाइम आएगा. वो अभी आरसीबी हमारे आरसीबी ठीक है.
Yeah.
If you ask about my opinion of how that, I mean, it's going to be very competitive. We've played each other so many times. You've literally seen each player play against each player pretty much
Yeah.
non-stop, right? And
Yeah.
all of them are set internationals mostly. From RSP's performance versus GT, it's not like I'm upset with the game. I
yeah,
mean, at the end of the day, we were about 20 runs short of the power. And it
exactly.
wasn't
Yeah.
bowling negatively.
Yeah.
At the end of the day, one thing's very clear in RSP's bowling lineup is you need the opposition batsman to take a little bit of a risk for them to get the wickets.
Definitely.
You're not going to get those wickets that
Yeah.
straightforward when
Correct.
you're just chasing 170, right? Because 170 is a normal standpoint in today's game. Like a 170 in Chipok would be a very different story because if that was a spinning track, a 170 is really tough. But we saw decent opening spells from across the bowlers, I felt. And it wasn't like a bad performance, right? Like at the end of the day, I know the top order failed. You lost 4 wickets within 42 or 44 runs. And then for them to get back from that to a 169 was a huge achievement. Because if I look at the previous cycle, the previous 3 years, if we had that type of batting collapse, we were never getting to anywhere close to
Yeah,
169
that's
for
true.
sure.
That's true. I feel like, see, what happened also is like you have to give credit where it's due. जहां पर आशीष नेहरा हम बोल रहे हैं या ही इज अ मिड कोच एंड देयर आर मिड बॉलर्स लाइक प्रसिद्ध कृष्णा एंड मोहम्मद सिराज दे हैव अ प्लान. वो लोग आते हैं. सिराज अब ये नहीं देख रहे हो कि वो बार बार वो स्लोअर बॉल वो सब कुछ डाल रहा है. वो अपनी बैक ऑफ लेंथ परफेक्ट पिच करके स्टंप टू स्टंप डाल रहा है. कोई एक्स्ट्रा कुछ नहीं कर रहा है. प्रसिद्ध कृष्णा जो कॉन्फिडेंस आरआर ने उसको नहीं दिखाया टू मेक हिम कम इन दैट फाइनल ओवर्स, वो जीटी अभी दिखा रही है. जहां पे वो आप
Correct.
एकदम स्टंप टू स्टंप एकदम एब्सोल्यूट डेथ बॉलिंग करता है, जहां पे वाइड यॉर्कर्स डालेगा या फिर वो ऐसे अनकंफर्टेबल फुलर लेंथ्स में डालेगा जहां पर बैट्समैन को उठाना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है. सो क्रेडिट टू टिम डेविड ऑल्सो, लाइक ही इज कमिंग टू द फोर ऑफ थिंग्स एंड
Yeah.
जीटी डेफिनेटली बोल्ड वेरी वेल. अब ये
Yeah.
मैटर करता है कि अभी जीटी का पर्सपेक्टिव जो था कि ऑफ कोर्स दे डिड नॉट, राशिद खान हैड अ बैड डे एंड क्रेडिट टू लाइक लियम लिविंगस्टन हु नलिफाइड हिम वेरी वेरी वेल. बट आई थिंक सी द पेस बॉलिंग ऑफ आरसीबी, अगर आप देख ले तो पेस बॉलिंग ऑफ द फर्स्ट 4 overs फॉर मुंबई इंडियंस इज गोइंग टू बी बोल्ड एंड चहर. First 4 overs for Bhuvaneshwar Kumar is going to be Hazelwood and this. It is not about which batting will do better. It's this damage control and the best.
Correct.
Which of these 4 overs in the first and second innings bowled much better is going to define the tempo of the game.
Yeah.
बोल्ट ने फुटबॉल खिला दी तो ऑफ कोर्स उसमें हम एविडेंट है कि कितना लिमिटेशन है आरसीबी के. इसका जो है 170 या फिर 160 रन बना सकते हैं. एमआई का भी वैसा ही है. अगर हेजलवुड और भुवनेश्वर कुमार ने ले लिया तो भी 160 170 ही बनेगा वो एमआई के मिडिल ऑर्डर से, जो हमने एमआई वर्सेस जीटी के मैच में देखा. अगेन देयर वाज नो स्टार्ट. सो प्रिटी मच आई फील these bowlers will come to the party. Swinging conditions, Monday evening, the sea breeze will be fantastic. Hawa will have a bit of humidity, will help the bowlers. Good bounce and pick. Also, that remains is if the third bowler, which is there for RCB, in this case, it will be Rasik Salam, and for the third bowler, in MI's case, would be Ashwini Kumar.
Yeah.
ये
I
तीन
would actually put Dayal over there actually. Because I don't think Rasid Salam's going to play the next game. I think it's going to be Surya Sharma this time around.
But I feel like in a place like Wankhede, which gives you offer in bounce and stuff like that, you want one more over of seam rather than actually a time, because see, हवा में नमी बढ़ने लगी है. अप्रैल अभी थोड़ा और प्रोग्रेस होगा, ह्यूमिडिटी आएगी, ग्रिप करना बहुत बहुत मुश्किल हो जाएगा फॉर लेग स्पिनर लाइक सूर्य
That's
शर्मा.
true.
I feel it's going to be very, very difficult to play because I also feel like now Mumbai Indians will stop playing that third spinner. They will probably give because the other day Vignesh Puthur played and he got whacked for runs, and he's a wrist.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And also Bumrah's coming back according to your sources. So gotta
So
make
Yeah,
way.
I'm gonna rate that TOI report where they're gonna push it a little longer. That's what I'm hoping. Because if Bumrah comes in, it's a very different story, right? I don't think it's gonna be as competitive as it could be.
definitely,
Like I think right now it's even Stevens between RCB and Mumbai,
yeah,
to be
yeah,
very
yeah.
honest.
I feel like the
I'm
first
not
I
two
gonna
think so.
matches,
say,
yeah, exactly.
yeah, I think emotionally each one of us know which team we're gonna support and which team we know is gonna we feel is gonna win.
Emotionally का मालूम नहीं तो
But
बैकग्राउंड से तो मालूम ही है भाई सबको. Trophy for us, play bold for y'all.
that's fine. Fine, that's fine. I don't mind it. It's okay. But
Yeah, but having
one thing I'll tell you though
हाँ,
is if I compare the GT game, Salt, Devdutt Padikkal's wickets were just throwaways. They're stepping
Yeah.
outside their trees, they're trying to attack the bowler. We're going to see a little less of that, I feel, in this game. So it's going to be hopefully not a collapse anymore.
hmm.
And again, one thing I'll give Mumbai is whoever wins the toss, it's going to be a huge, huge impact. Because I remember
Yep.
this from a year or two ago where we've scored 200. You guys chased it within what, 16 overs?
Yeah,
Yeah.
where Surya literally
So,
swept this chap for a six. I don't know whether it was
yeah.
Hazelwood or what, or I don't know whether it was Harshal Patel or something like that. Like the way he played was.
Yeah. I mean,
But
Surya
again,
Kumar was a strike.
yeah, but again, like, see, the batsman game as much as it is. See, but I feel like, let's come on to the part where also like the IPL, right? Like the only close game which has been is the DC or LSG wala. उसके बावजूद no good game happening in the IPL is a very और ये मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि no side has quality. This
Yeah,
is
yeah.
what happens after a mega auction. मेगा ऑक्शन के बाद ये होता है टीम्स आर फाइंडिंग देयर बैलेंस दे फाइंडिंग देयर रिदम सी एंड अगेन मैं बोलता हूँ यार तुमने ये कोई फैंटेसी टीम नहीं है कि हाँ हमने ये डाल दिया दो बैट्समैन जो 50 रन बनाएंगे ये हमने विकेट वाले ब्लोलर्स डाल दिए ऐसे हो गई ऐसी नहीं बनती है टीम
Also, I think another reason why we aren't seeing those kind of close games like we used to back in the day is the impact player rule. At least
Yeah.
that's what I think. Because see, there are a couple of things in cricket which become an advantage, like right, like toss. The conditions favor you. One thing is gonna be the right thing to do, whether it
Correct.
is to bowl first, whether it is to bat
Correct.
first. If you already have one thing going your way, and on top of that, if you can strategize and get the best out of your 12th man as well, so I think you're already in a very good position. So that's why
Yeah.
I think not seeing those close games anymore.
And what
And-
happens is in that situation also like a lot of it is very pre-planned, right? Like it's not like football substitutions. Football substitutions are more improvisation. So you will have
Exactly.
someone like come on and then completely change the tempo of the game.
Hmm.
Or probably changes the this. Here the thing is like, yeah, okay, you're getting another hitter to get it probably out of the park. And that one
Exactly.
impact player which is there on your bowling side is probably bowling that extra third or fourth over, which he is compensating for your all-rounder. So your all-rounder is again focused on batting and not less on doing both activities per se. So no, I completely
I
agree with
don't
that.
see characters like Pollard, Russell anymore, right?
अब
Like,
हाँ अभी रसेल वसेल को आप बॉलिंग करते हुए कितना कम देखते हो या फिर एक फॉर दैट मैटर तो राहुल तेवाटिया उस दिन मैं और अंदर तो कितना बात कर रहे थे राहुल तेवाटिया इज एक्चुअली अ प्रॉपर लेग स्पिनर
Leg
वो
spinner.
पिंच हिटर बन
Yeah.
गया तो ये
exactly.
players तो वैसे भी कुश्ती करते थे वो तो वैसे भी कुश्ती करेंगे तो taking this into internationals is going to be a bit difficult. Like someone like Riyan Parag and all is a good bowler. He can roll an arm and stuff like that. Like, but the thing is, he's not going to bowl in Rajasthan Royals क्योंकि उनके पास हसरंगा है और ये है पतिराना सॉरी पतिराना की दीक्षाना है टू बोल एन आर्म तो ये लोग सब
Yeah.
यार मेरे को लगता है आप प्रोटेक्ट बहुत ज्यादा कर रहे हो आजकल के प्लेयर्स को विद दिस इम्पैक्ट प्लेयर रूल लेट देम गेट एक्सपोज लेट देम गेट डू इट लाइक क्या फर्क पड़ता है 11 के 11 है 11 के 11 खेलेंगे 11 काफी नहीं है क्या और हमारे इधर तो
Correct.
कार्ड होता है कि कोई एक बंदा बाहर बैठ के गाली के बोल के जो इस बार ठीक है आई फील LSG I like that competitive spirit where you go and you do all those things you have those gestures and stuff like that it's good to do it of course यार अभी
Nah.
बॉलर सिर्फ खाएगा क्या छक्के वो कुछ बाद में बोल
I'm not okay with that. Like, I mean, that guy was getting smacked left, right, and center. Just because you take a wicket, it doesn't consolidate.
अरे बट क्लियर कर दूं
power.
वो दोनों बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स हैं प्रियांश और दिग्वेश आर लाइक बेस्ट
He
फ्रेंड्स
didn't just do it with him. He did it with his
Yeah.
next wicket as well.
अब फिर उसने बट प्रभ सिमरन को भी गाली दी उसने प्रभ सिमरन को भी
Correct. That is the problem, right? Like you're doing with your friend, chalo, theek hai, you
I
can
think
do.
I kind of agree with Shantanu here, man. The game's going a little too soft. Like,
No, I have no problem with being a little hard as well,
yeah.
but I mean, it's just more in the lines of, dude, you've just got smacked for runs. It's
but
not
like,
like you're in a
This
winning
happened with
position
Prasidh
now.
as well, right? Like Prasidh got Tim David out on the last ball after getting smacked.
Yeah, and then he did
Yeah, but
that
that
And
is
he's like,
stupid. That is stupid. That is
come on, bro.
anything.
it's just
You
stupid.
That
you,
is
you got
stupid.
embarrassed.
That is stupid. It's not aggressive. It's not demeaning or anything like that. It's not condescending. It's just stupid. Why the fuck would you do that? You are this is your last ball of the over. He spanked you for 14 runs.
Yeah.
Bye bye. क्या बोल रहा है भाई?
Yeah. He would have gone regardless.
Yeah, bro. It was the last ball.
So
Like
नहीं
with
नहीं.
someone Siraj doing the Sue after getting Salt out.
हाँ वो
That
मैं
was
बोलने वाला था. By the way,
great
Salt ने ना
because
विकेट नहीं फेंका. There was a certain bowler who used to play for RCB. उसने outsmart करके लिया है Salt को. And
I
Salt
know,
और
I know,
Siraj
I
also
know.
have history, by the way.
They have history, right? From 2
Yeah,
years ago. It was a
तो वो
proper
है यार.
smacking by
That
Salt and they
competitive
had a
thing तो
fight.
even I want to see यार. हम BGT क्यों देखते हैं? हम BGT इसलिए थोड़ी ना देखते कि बाद में कोहली जाके ट्रैविस हेड के साथ कडलिंग वडलिंग कर रहा है. हम उसलिए नहीं देखते. हम
Exactly.
इसलिए देखते हैं क्योंकि उसमें प्रॉपर लाइक लिटरली there's like a war going on between your
काफी बार बेन स्टोक्स का मेंशन होता है उसमें.
या एग्जैक्टली बेन स्टोक्स की बहुत याद आती है लोगों को. तो इसीलिए ये सब चीजें आई थिंक फायर अप ही करेंगी एक स्पोर्ट को एंड एटलीस्ट विल मेक इट मोर इंटरेस्टिंग. बट सी आई एम हैप्पी टू बी प्रूव्ड रॉन्ग. आई थिंक इट्स वेरी अर्ली डेज आल्सो इनटू द गेम, आल्सो इनटू द लीग.
I
3 ही गेम हुए हैं.
also want to add one more thing. This was, again, we spoke about this 5 minutes ago, I know. But this was more the impact of the toss, right? Like we saw BCCI trying to introduce that rule where you can change the ball after 10 overs in the second innings. That finally happened, right? That finally happened in the
Yes.
RCB
Yes.
GT game in the
Yes, in
12th
the
over.
RCB game where they asked for a second ball.
Yeah.
I think
The funny thing was
But
neither
it
team
didn't
was happy
work.
with the new ball.
But it really didn't work. The ball still didn't do anything. It was still coming onto the bat really well.
oh
I
So I
think
think
it
it
did.
like
For
depending on the
Hazelwood's
situation.
over, right? For Hazelwood's over, it worked, but then beyond that, it didn't. Because in
Yeah,
that over,
correct.
Hazelwood got a wicket.
आई थिंक ऐसा कर सकते हैं. मे बी लाइक बैटिंग इम्पैक्ट के लिए आप वो मत करो, बट आपको मालूम है अगर ड्यू पड़ने वाली है तो एक ओवर के लिए वो बस आपको एक इम्पैक्ट पेसर लेके आओ. And then
Something.
get
Yeah.
Honestly, I'm not for the impact player rule. I understand people say that more players get to play and all of that.
Oh man.
Then you
Man.
नहीं
really
यार, ये
reduce the
turf
stock
winning
of an
is
all-rounder.
और
And we know the
There's no
value of an
point.
all-rounder when it comes
Exactly.
to like a big World Cup or an ICC championship, right? Like the value of a Hardik Pandya. When we lost him in the 23 World Cup, we know what happened to us. We lost our balance. And then he comes
I
back
think
in the World
yeah.
Cup. He
It would have
comes
been a
back in the
different story
Challenge
altogether.
Trophy.
Yeah. We would have maybe
So-
won that night. At
Exactly. So having an
Yeah, that
all-rounder is so important,
yeah.
but there's no value of all-rounders in the IPL
Yeah,
anymore.
I agree. I fully agree. But
Dude,
he,
if I ask like the panel, okay,
yeah.
which is one of the okay, one name that comes to your head, top 3 Indian cricketers of all time, Yuvraj Singh has to be one of them. With the impact player rule, people like players like Yuvraj Singh are not going to be created. Like who can
No.
bat and bowl.
Yeah,
Sure.
yes and no both. I feel like the other day, like in that match, right, DC versus LSG में वो विपराज वही तो आया ना यार, उसने 2 ओवर डाले और 35 रन्स निकाले.
I
See,
mean,
good
that
players
Yuvraj
will find a way to
comparison-
come. I don't think so. That is the true thing. Good players will still find a way to come, and it will still be visible to you. But yeah, you're right. Like that extra.
But it will be demotivating to be an all-rounder, right? Like
I
you
mean-
know.
I'll
See-
just add one point here really quickly, but just with like Yuvraj Singh pointer, right? We've got one like for like right now. That's
Yeah.
Abhishek Sharma. We
Yeah.
know he's a
Yeah.
world-class batsman right now, but
Yeah.
unfortunately, he's not going to ball as much.
उसकी
And that's
पिटाई भी
purely
हो गई ना
because of
लास्ट
the
2 गेम
impact
में.
player rule.
Yep.
उसकी पिटाई भी हो गई
He's-
लास्ट 2 गेम में. भाई
I thought that
I
him
understand.
bowling
I-
more this season would change. That like he's been practicing for the last 1 year and he might have improved, but it doesn't look
I'm
like.
pretty sure if the impact player rule wasn't there, he would have practiced more and actually bowled.
Probably.
Yeah, but he did. उससे पहले तो गेम में बॉलिंग तो डाली ना, पिटाई हुई उसकी अभी वो. बट इसलिए आज शमी और पैट कमिंस ने शुरू किया. उन्होंने अच्छा ही किया है. एंड मेरे हिसाब से तो दे ओनली शुड स्टार्ट विद द न्यू बॉल. द थिंग इज इन बिटवीन हाउ यू यूज द spinner is very, very important. Like in a Chepauk and all, it'll be damn interesting to see how an Abhishek Sharma does. Because अच्छी
Yeah.
gravity ball and plus वो loop देगा as a left arm spinner. But I think that's that. MI versus RCB, I think is going to be a mouth-watering contest. It's going to be one of the good matches. I feel like this will go down to the last ball. For the last few years, it's not going to be there. but I feel MI has areas जहाँ पे वो लोग weak है जो RCB exploit कर सकती है, and
Same
RCB के
applies.
पास भी ऐसे weaknesses है जो MI exploit करेगी. Who
Exactly. It
gets
works
less
both ways.
who gets less exploited and who plays the smarter and a much more safer game will come out on top.
Definitely. And I just
True,
hope
true
Boca
fact,
doesn't.
yeah. I mean, I think in the last 3 years, whenever we've come to the Wankhede, we knew who the better team was. Let's be honest.
Yeah.
Doesn't
Yeah.
matter who came to the playoffs. We know who the better team was. It wasn't us, just to clarify,
Yeah.
in case you're getting a little butthurt about it. But we knew we weren't the better team when we go to Wankhede, right? I feel this time around it's a lot more closer. The
Yeah.
balances of each team is very similar. And just in more in line of both of us are going to approach this game from, to change the direction of where the teams are going towards this season. So it's going to be a huge impact for both teams.
Yeah. It'll be.
And of course, I'll put my match day prediction on. Really hope RCB wins.
I really
But
hope RCB wins the toss.
Yeah,
yeah,
honestly, this is
let's
one of
put it
those
as
games that's
toss.
going to be fixed
Toss
at the
is going to
toss.
matter.
Yeah.
और जितनी coded Mumbai Indians की squad है to Wankhede, right? Like that's why I'm saying Mumbai Indians, because Mumbai Indians have now they've not made Mumbai Indians, उन्होंने बनाए Wankhede Indians बनाए हैं. वैसी वो full Wankhede coded team in terms of batsmen and in terms of even the spinner who is there, the likes of Mitchell Santner, where they've seen historically left arm spinners have actually done very well. So I'm just by pure selection and how well the team knows the Wankhede condition, is well adapted to the Wankhede conditions, I would say MI.
Let's
Yeah.
see.
Only change I hope that MI makes if we are serious about winning this competition is we get a replacement for Rohit Sharma. That's it. I don't think
What a
it's
way
gonna
to end the
happen, but
video.
I hope it
Yeah.
does.
Yeah, Tarun ने अपने
Yeah.
review में भी बोला in MI versus CSK, and he's
Yeah.
been on this bandwagon now for some time.
No, I mean, that's a fair thing, right? At the end of the day, it's been 3 games. He's not performed.
3 games in
Neither
the last 20
team-
games or something. Only one time he's gone about 20 runs, or he scored in double digits or something like that. It's a very weird stat.
Double digits, not 20.
Yeah. And that's not.
I mean,
Played a
you want-
total of he's played a total of 3 overs in 3 games.
That's
I mean,
crazy.
if I look at Rohit Sharma, the value he brings, of course, the batting's important, but if his leadership comes through, it's also important. But that's also not happening, right? He's the impact player.
Exactly,
He
yeah.
doesn't put
That's true.
anything.
That is true.
So the value of it also comes down to him.
Yeah.
Bro is
Yeah, now
getting
Mumbai
paid
has become
to
a
play. He's getting paid to play
partnership
1
to
crore. No, he's getting paid 1 crore to play 1 over, man. I wish I had that, you know.
Anyway, that's that. ठीक है, I guess everyone's predictions are in. Very interesting match day. This will be coming out on Saturday afternoon, this particular preview. And we have recorded just after the SRH KKR game. If there are any kind of other matches which you're looking forward to over the weekend, kindly drop it in the comments below. There's a lot of good content which is coming up. We, of course, filmed the match day vlog experience. There's going to be better ones coming up for football one. Especially and also for the RCB games, and additionally hopefully more MI games as well. ऐसे ही मिलते हैं ऐसे अगली वीडियो में. Like, share, subscribe, comment, and see you all.